Hello everyone, welcome back to Unique Sing. This video is going to show you 20 words that are difficult to pronounce and the definitions of the words. This video is going to be fabulous for your pronunciation. I'm also going to share the definition with you as well, so you'll be able to improve your vocabulary. So by the end of this video, you should be able to understand 20 words. Right? Let's get started. 1. Albeit. Albeit. Meaning although. 2. Almond. Almond. The flat, pale, sweet nut of the almond tree used in cooking and to make almond oil. 3. Anemone. Anemone. A small plant with red, white, blue, or purple flowers that are shaped like cups and have dark centers. 4. Antarctic. Antarctic. Connected with the regions of the world surrounding the South Pole. 5. Archipelago. Archipelago. A group of islands and the sea surrounding them. 6. Arctic. Arctic. Related to or happening the regions around the North Pole. 7. Asterisk. Asterisk. To mark something with a little star symbol. 8. Athlete. Athlete. A person who competes in sports. 9. A bouquet. Bouquet. A bunch of flowers arranged in an attractive way. Number 10. Brewery. Brewery. A factory where beer is made or a company that makes beer. Number 11. A buoy. Buoy. An object which floats on water to mark where it is safe for boats to go. 12. A berry. Berry. To hide something in the ground. 13. And cache. Cache. A part of computer's memory that stores copies of data that is often needed whilst a program is running. 14. And candidate. Candidate. A person who is trying to be elected or is applying for a job. 15. Caramel. Caramel. Burnt sugar used for adding color or flavor to food. 16. Chaos. Chaos. A state of complete confusion and lack of order. 17. Chauvinism. Chauvinism. An aggressive and unreasonable belief that your country is better than all others. 18. A clothes. Clothes. The things that you wear, such as trousers, shirts, and shorts. 19. Cocoa. Cocoa. A dark brown powder made from the crushed seeds, cocoa beans, of a tropical tree. 20. Comfortable. Comfortable. Feeling relaxed in a pleasant way. Right, guys, that is it for today's pronunciation videos. Leave your feedback. Feel free to add any more words that you find difficult to pronounce.